I know you care. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body's like it speaks to me. You don't know what you do.
I think I'm crazy. When I've been craving. If I put it can you stay up all night?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vloggy vlog. And I know if y'all watched our Beyonce trip vlog, okay, the concert at ATL shouting, okay, it was everything. All right, that whole weekend was like really nice. We loved every bit of it. The hotel was nice, everything. But anyway, that's not this vlog. This vlog, okay, I told y'all guys that we had a layover. We got a layover for 12 hours, which means we left Atlanta day after the concert, hopped on a flight. Yes, literally had to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and leave. I was crying. My feet was hurting from the concert the night before, and hopped on a plane. However, Marvin booked it on purpose because we have a layover in Orlando for 12 hours because we wanted to revisit Volcano Bay. Why did we want to revisit Volcano Bay? Because the last time we came here, if you watch any of my old vlogs, make sure you guys go back and check those videos out, okay? You will know what's the scheme, what's going on, okay? The drama from the last time we went out of town to Orlando, it poured down raining crazy.
Alright, y'all, we are at
Volcano
Bay, Universal Studios, and it is pouring down raining. We just got here, so I think we're going to go back to the hotel and try this again tomorrow.
We never went to Volcano. We went to Volcano Bay, but we had to get a refund and said we had to do it another day because it was pouring down raining. But guess what? Today is gorgeous outside, okay? It's beautiful outside, and it is uber hot. So me and Marvin said, why not spend those 12 hours on Orlando, Florida, okay? Get into some stuff, but the first thing we get into is Volcano Splash Bay. Me and Marvin love water parks, okay? So that is where we headed today. For us, that's like we turn into kids at water parks, okay? We don't really do the theme parks as much, but we love the water parks, okay? So we're going to be taking you guys with us today. I actually got my swimming suit on when we left ATL. I had to leave it on up under, okay? So we left the bags, of course, at the airport. That's going straight to Detroit, okay? Going straight to Michigan, all right? But we are taking 12 hours in Orlando and having a blast, okay? And we are going to take you guys with us as well, Mr.
Hey, yo, we world travelers, y'all.
Oh, we feel like it. At least we definitely
going
feel
from
like
Atlanta to Orlando,
yes,
to Miami, going to Miami next, right?
Right, I guess.
No, yeah.
I wish. Look, but yes, so we are like having the best time, which I told him, I don't know what this season is for me. Lately, I've been wanting to just go.
If we can just stay on the go.
Yeah. That would
go from city to city. That's what we really want to do.
That would be great.
We really want to go city to city.
And great.
That would be really, really cool.
And then it's a nice way to figure out exactly where do you want to live. And I love the fact that even with Atlanta, guess what? Florida is only 6 hours drive away. Like, that's amazing, okay?
Orlando's only 6 hours away.
Yes, like that's a drive.
Cool.
Like, we in the middle of everything, okay? Everything. So we are going to have a blast this weekend. We already started off with a real big bang, okay? But today we are definitely gonna grab a bite to eat because we starving, okay? We got out late and everything was closed yesterday after the concert. B killed it though. Y'all already know that, but definitely watch that vlog if you have not watched that vlog yet, okay? The Beyonce Atlanta concert was everything, and so we are going to actually, and we did, we won. I don't know if y'all know what he's talking about, but on that certain song that Beyonce sing, when she enter the room, all my girls go, well, you got to be quiet. You got to shut it down. You wave in the room, the crowd go cool. Look around, everybody else. Look around, it's me and my crew. On the song, when she tell you to zip it, the whole crowd in ATL was quiet. All those people in there, it was millions and millions of people in that doggone stadium. When she was like, all the crowd go, we zipped it. Now some people were saying something. You saw a couple crowd like, if y'all don't zip it, she said shh. And then she went back to singing again. But they said ATL, which they do not play about B, okay? They really killed it. So, yes, we had an amazing time. And so now this is the start of the 12 hours in Orlando, okay? roll with us. Okay, we're gonna show y'all what we about to get into. But the first stop, okay, definitely get something to eat. But Volcano Bay, I am super excited to go to. You too excited? You ready?
I'm super excited.
Ready? Okay. We just literally got a random hotel room just so that when we leave the park, because we still leaving, we're not even spending the night in this hotel. We literally just for 12 hours, so that when we leave the park, we can come here, wash up, put our regular clothes on, because we don't have like Soak City clothes on. I'm just gonna change a wardrobe, y'all, because I end up putting this shawl over it, which I like, because if we go into a restaurant or something, I can cover up. I don't necessarily have to have everything hanging out, because that black shirt I gotta wear leaving. So this is what your girl got on. Hair still doing good. I don't know what it's gonna look like when we come up out of here. I'm gonna be looking like a wet a slug, whatever. But y'all see by the time you come out, honey, how well this do, honey, how this hang in there. So yeah, we actually is not bringing this camera. We actually going to bring the GoPro, which that thing can get wet all day long, because your girl, of course, left her freaking phone at home, because I would just use my cell phone, but that's at home. So we got a GoPro, which is good, because that thing can get wet all day long. So you guys are going to see some really good snapshots. I can't wait for you guys to see what we get into.
I know you feel. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body like speaks to me. You don't know what you do. Your body like speaks to me. You don't know what you do.
We about to go to Volcano Bay, y'all. About to have fun. We about to put this mug all through the water and test it out.
Yes.
See if this mug can get wet.
Is it worth the buy?
Alright.
Yes, you guys, we're gonna find out, is this really worth the buy? So we're gonna let y'all know. Was this supposed to be a number we supposed to be on?
She said 4.
Okay.
Yep, Volcano Bay right there.
Okay. So we about to actually hop on the bus, you guys, at Volcano Bay. Here we go. They said that thing dropped like feet down into 10 feet water. Yes, I'm ready to get in the water too, because it's hot. But it's so nice over here. Okay, y'all, we're gonna get our feet wet first, get our body soaked, because it is hot out here. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're gonna get out here in this pool first, because we're hot already, y'all. Oh, they got actual sand. That's good.
You don't know what you do. Your body like speaks to me. You don't know what you do.
Hi, you guys. I can literally just hang out here all day. That's how hot it is. It's so freaking hot. So hot. Really? That's alright. Say it hung out for B. It stayed in for B day, and now we good. People is doing rides all the way up there. No way am I diving down here. Is you good? This way is over here doggy paddling. Doggy paddling.
Yeah, I remember the wave pool too.
I know. I'm trying to make sure my butt don't, my ponytail don't end up floating in the water. Then I'm really gonna be in trouble. He's such a pooper. Now I'm about to wet your face. Stop. So y'all, we about to see if we can figure out somewhere to eat and see what rides we about to get on, and then we'll get back to y'all in just a minute.
Here comes the wave. Woo! This is like an avatar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go out there, do the same thing they do. So we got our food. She got some chicken tenders. And I got a waffle burger with a whole bunch of stuff on it. We're gonna share those. Yeah. It look good. We're gonna sit y'all up while we eat.
There's not water. Where you find?
I'm good. Okay. You want water on your feet or something?
I guess there's some.
I'm fine.
Some burgers.
I ain't even taste the burger yet. I'm gonna taste the burger. We'll taste that.
You got peppers on there. Let me know if you're top. You want to go no ketchup and mustard.
Good.
You got like a sweet salt ketchup.
You got peppers on it.
Is the pepper top?
I ain't tasting it anymore.
You wouldn't know about biting.
It look like hot pepper. They're not really hot. No. A little hot. Not real hot.
You got like a little kick to it. I got a taste to it. I got a taste to it.
It is alright.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we about to finish eating. We'll get back to y'all when we come to ride.
Yeah, Marvin is fighting me because he don't like either one of the hats. But this one beat me up, so either I gotta wear this hat or this hat. So y'all have to tell me which one I like. But I like both of them. Like this one.
You look like,
Sorry.
you're looking like Farmer
This
Joe.
one. What?
Farmer John.
Farmer said I look like Farmer John. I don't care what I look like as long as the sun stop beating me.
Farmer Dana.
And then there's this one. Marvin said he don't like this one, but I'm gonna have to get this one because it's like it matched. So
I like that one better. You looking like Carmen Sandiego.
yeah, that's the vibe. I like Carmen Sandiego. I only like birds. So yeah, so he could.
I like that one better.
Okay.
That one's too big.
Well, this one too big.
It is.
No, it ain't big enough. Okay,
Unless you go with your Beyonce style with the cowgirl.
because that's gonna come off, ain't it? Yeah. Let me see. You know, it comes with everybody. But this ain't keeping nothing out.
Nah.
This is not keeping nothing out.
You gotta tell B that. You gotta tell Beyonce that.
She would have got this one too. You
I like the black one better than the other one. What up? What up, auntie?
Could just call me.
You looking
Carmen.
like somebody rich, auntie.
And I am. And what about it? And what about it?
You somebody rich, auntie, boo.
Okay, I am. And I am my auntie. Hello.
One of them bougie rich aunties that
Marvin,
water don't hit this body.
That's no, because the reason why I'm doing this because water hitting his body. I don't know what you're talking about. Let me tell you something. Ain't no hair gonna stop me from getting in no water, having a good time. I'm just gonna set me another plate. That's what we gonna do. I can't even take. Where is it coming from?
Touch one.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need.
Well, we about to go on, y'all, right here. About to be crazy. See somebody come out. There we go.
And then this a while.
She's scared, John.
It means I didn't.
You scared? A little nervous, alright.
I haven't did that in quite a long time, and it felt like it. My freaking heart was beating. Atlanta watch or something.
Yeah.
Who do you think he is? Like, tell him to go. The same hat he didn't like.
I don't like it.
Now he over here, Texas Mike, over here with my hat on. Okay. Yo, why can't
I'm vlogging you. Why you vlogging me?
Really? Why can't I get that song on my head, Black Parade? We still waiting. We're gonna talk to the people. It's like we're gonna wait to 10. Now we wait. That's all you wait.
10:45.
Yeah, so now we sitting around waiting. They changed our gate twice. So now the people left out of it. They leaving out of the plane. That must be plane. We must be getting off. And now we gotta wait until they open. Down the street and sleeping.
10:45. It was supposed to got on here at what time? Like 9. Yeah. It don't sound bad, but we've been forever. So.
Ready to get out of here.
Man, we see y'all. We'll see y'all later. Peace.
And we back. I know this look like the same hotel. Well, it is.
It is though. Our flight was canceled. Until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow. So we are back at the hotel. Thank God they never did check us out. They wasn't gonna check us out anyway until the next morning. So we went back to the hotel, y'all. And which to be honest with you, I kind of was okay with it because I'm really not ready to go back home yet. I don't know what's been going on with me lately. I've been on a want to go type situation, and that's normally not me. I be ready to go home.
You was ready to go home in that airport though.
I was in the airport because I was getting sleepy. I was ready to lay down in the bed and go to sleep. Because we technically have not been asleep, but like what, 4 hours? We've been running on 4 hours
of sleep in 24 hours since yesterday.
Yes, we've been running on 4 hours of sleep.
Yesterday morning at what? We woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yes. So I was so scared that today was gonna be that type of situation.
And then we slept a little bit on the plane to get to Orlando from
that wasn't no
Atlanta.
That was like catnap. So yeah, so today we sitting there and they end up canceling the flight.
It went from 9 o'clock to 10:45, and then from 10:45 went to 11:45 for like maybe like 10 minutes, and then they announced they was canceling the flight.
Yes, so everybody was.
So we went from being in Orlando for 12 hours to being in Orlando for 24 hours, probably.
Right, so it changed, the update changed. But we did go to Volcano Bay, and that was a blast. Mm-hmm. It's just that, so now tomorrow morning, they booked our flight for tomorrow morning at 7-25.
7:25.
Which means we're spending the night here. So, I guess we will be ending the vlog.
I don't know. We're going to see.
We're gonna see how tomorrow
works. We might be spending another day, maybe.
Right, we'll see how tomorrow works.
But what I do need to find out is the flight that they gave us is it a straight through flight?
Right, because I don't know.
Or is it a layover?
Right.
So we'll see tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look tonight on there and see if it's even on there, but we're gonna find out and we'll let you know what happened tomorrow. Yep. So now we're about to go order some DoorDash, some Grubhub or something like that because we hungry.
Right.
And see if it was open and grub.
Yeah. So we will talk to y'all tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye.